Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a real way to reduce your electricity bills and make your home more energy efficient, you've probably heard about the energy revolution system. But is it actually worth it, or just another online gimmick? In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know before making a purchase, including how it works, its benefits, and my honest thoughts after reviewing it. So, what exactly is the energy revolution system? It's a step-by-step guide that teaches you how to generate your own renewable energy at home without needing expensive solar panels or complicated installations. The system was designed to help people save money on power bills by using simple, easy-to-build energy solutions that anyone can follow, even without technical experience. The Energy Revolution system gives you blueprints, video tutorials, and material lists to help you build a small-scale power system that can partially or fully run your household devices. It focuses on affordable, eco-friendly methods, meaning you won't have to spend thousands of dollars to start generating power. What makes it different is that it's designed to work in all weather conditions, and it's easy enough for beginners to follow from home. Here are some of the main benefits people are reporting. Big savings on electricity bills, in some cases, up to 50% or more. A reliable backup power source for emergencies or outages. Environmentally friendly and sustainable energy production. No maintenance or high installation costs like traditional solar systems. Many users also appreciate how quickly they were able to get started. Most projects can be completed in a weekend using common tools. The Energy Revolution system is completely digital, so you'll get instant access to guide and tutorials right after purchase. The instructions are clear and beginner-friendly. You don't need to be an engineer to make it work. Once built, it runs automatically and requires little to no upkeep. Now for my honest take. Pros. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and offers real value if you're looking to cut down on energy bills. The tutorials are easy to follow, and the concept is based on practical renewable energy science. Cons. It's a DIY system, so you'll need a bit of patience and effort to set it up. Also, results can vary depending on your location and energy needs. To wrap it up, the Energy Revolution system is a solid option for anyone who wants to save money, live more sustainably, and take control of their own energy use. Just make sure to purchase it from the official website. I've included the link in the description to avoid scams or fake copies. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and energy-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.